Topic: The Protectors. Name: Shyam Kumar. Rule number 219511129. Subject: Computer Network. CN. Section ITV. Second year, fourth semester. How to install or upgrade Protector or Windows and Linux or AIX. Question: Thin images snapshot operation default to provisioned using floating device in version prior to 6.5. This setting would automatically fall back to fully provisioned if the hardware storage device did not support floating devices. Within the introduction of cascade mode snapshots in version 6.5 in default mode, this automatic fallback has been removed. Consequently, data flows created in versions prior to 6.5 that contain thin image snapshot operations with the cascade mode enabled will now fail if the underlying hardware does not support floating devices. These data flows must be manually reconfigured to use the correct provisions type. Please note that if this data flow also contains replication operations, then this will be re-evaluated when the modified data flows are reactivated. Data flows created in version prior to 6.5 that contain thin images snapshot operations with cascade mode enabled will now fail if the PBOL have any pre-existing no cascade mode snapshots. If cascade mode is to remain enabled, then any non-cascade mode snapshot must be deleted. For data flows created in version 6.5 or later, if the hardware soft storage which device on which thin image snapshot operations are performed does not support floating and cascade mode, then thin images operation when unless the appropriate setting are selected in the respective data flows. All nodes that will participate in the backup data flow need to have OPS Center Protector installed. A node used only to access the web-based user interface does not need to have any components installed on it. Procedure: locate and run the installer appropriate target OS and hardware architecture. Tip: Protector. The Protector can be installed directly from the command line. If required, refer section installing and upgrading Protector from the command line from user guide for details of the installer's command line options. The installer file name has the following format: the Protector rm.n-m.n into m OS type proc type, where is the version of build number. Also type OS type is the target operating system type. Win Linux AIX. Prototype is the target processor type 6 into 64. The setup wizard will be launched if a GUI shell is available. If not, then the same information will be presented using the text mode shell. If a previous installation of OPS Center Protector is found, the installer will promote you to upgrade or about the installation. Click S to upgrade the existing Protector installation this node. When upgrading along a supported version upgrade path, any existing data flows, policies, schedules, etc. will be preserved. If any further actions are required post upgrade, then this will be described in the release notes shipped with the new version. Click no to exist the installer wizard, in which case no changes will be made to the current installation. When the setup wizard appears, a welcome message is displayed. Click next to begin the installation. When promoted, read the license agreements. Select I accept the agreement if we are happy to proceed and click next. Selected I do not accept the agreement if not happy to proceed and click next. The installation will be updated and no changes will be made to the machine. License keys are entered once the installation complete. The Viva the license inventory in the UA. How to add a license in user guide. How to install data protector RBM patch in Linux. Well, HP Data Protector has a long tradition of doing odd things. For example, the way of RPM patch is installed is not Viva, via UR minus F, but differently, which brings me to my question. In the past, every patch was accompanied by a corresponding text file that listed depends installation instructions. However, for the currently released, I fail to find such files, and I wonder how install the patches available. In the recent past, there were no patches, just new release, but this time there exist patches, and I wonder how to install this. Having searched the full documentation, I still could not find instruction. HP Data Protector. Data Protector software originally OmniBack is automated backup and recovery software for single server to enable environments supporting disk storage or tape storage. It provides cross-platform online backup of data, Windows, Unix, and Linux operating system. The late to use the OmniBack name was version 4.1, which 2004. History. When Hewlett Packard acquired Apollo Computer in 1989, the later had already developed a backup system entitled the OmniBack Network Backup System, which was available on the market at the time. HP continued to develop this product under the OmniBack name for the purpose of backing up individual files and raw disk particulars. Related but distinct product OmniBack Turbo developed for backing up database. In 1996, HP released OmniBack 2.0 and merged OmniBack 2 and OmniBack by Turbo into a single product. Although it was still impossible to create a single job which would contain a database and a file system backup, it was offered for 3800. A Windows NT Pro was released with version 2.3. Version 2.55 was released in 1997 and include support for HP UX and IBM AIX. In the interim, Hewlett Packard withdrew development from Slovenia through the German. Significant time was spent delivering version 3.5.2 for Solaris. Once complete, however, this allowed quick ports through 64 and Linux. With version 5.4, the OmniBack name was dropped. Since then, the product has been called HP OpenView. Storage Data Protector and HP Storage Works Data Protector are commonly HP Data Protector. HP announced the release of HP Data Protector 9.4 as a part of its adaptive backup and recovery initiative. In May 2014, it was released in July 2014, along with the two companion products HP Data Protector Management Pack and HP Backup Navigator. Since Micro Focus acquired HP software in is now named Micro Focus Data Protector. Data Protector silent and Debian based system. If you need to install the Data Protector silent software on a Debian based system, you will recognize a no derivatives is listed in the support matrix as the supported version and the Debian Linux 6.0 into 64 and 7.0 into 64 and UAB into 12 into X into 64 are supported only. However, if you require a disk agent installed or a Debian derivative, need to implement a work around in order to run push or installation over the data protector installation server. The installation might fail. Please note this workaround is supported currently by HP. Install package alien using the command apt get install alien. Install package rpm using the command apt get install rpm. Move the rpm binary using the command mv usr bin rpm usr bin rpm original. Create and edit a new file usr bin rpm. This command vi usr bin rpm. Thank you. Okay. Once you have implemented this workaround, you can push the disk agent using data protect the GUI onto the new silent. Thank you.